We are so obsessed with our weight and willing to try any ridiculous fad if it promises to help us shed those pounds and lose those unsightly inches. The reason that people go so far to find ways of losing weight is that the one method that works is so difficult. You simply have to eat less food and find time to exercise. Unfortunately for us, our bodies are addicted to food and will do everything they can to manipulate us into eating more. In this video, we are going to give you 20 keys that can help you to achieve a healthy weight loss and wellness. But before, if you are interested in the keto diet and looking for some easy keto recipes, click on the link in the description. So, Key 1. Eat lots of organic vegetables and fruits. Veggies and fruits are low in calories. They provide filling fiber, vitamins, and minerals. They protect your health in many ways. Organic produce has superior nutrition without the insecticides and poisons found in ordinary produce. Cooked or frozen is acceptable, but stay away from canned. Key 2. Eat meat and animal products. There are vital nutrients found in animal foods that cannot be found elsewhere. Meat, fish, eggs, cheese, and milk are important staples in our diet. And their protein is important for preserving and building lean tissue, the muscle that burns calories. Key 3. Eat whole grains properly prepared. Grains should be soaked, sprouted, or fermented to be digestible for most people. Whole grain products that have not been properly prepared can cause mineral deficiencies and intestinal problems. Key 4. Add raw milk products to your diet. Raw whole milk from grass-fed cows is what the body needs. It will boost your intake of calcium and other nutrients, and help your body shed unwanted fat with the CLA found in it. Key 5. Eat lots of good fats. The omega-3 unsaturated fatty acids are vital to health. They can be found in butter, some fish, coconut, nuts, and palm oil. Saturated fat, despite what you probably heard, will help you lose weight, and is actually something the body needs for healthy functioning. Key 6. Cut out junk carbs, sugar, and white flour. They sabotage your healthy diet in all but the smallest amounts. Use soaked whole grain flours and small amounts of natural sugars such as raw honey and organic maple syrup. Stay away from corn syrup. It is worse than sugar. Key 7. Greatly reduce junk and bad fats. Trans fats and processed oils are not only high in calories, but are loaded with harmful fatty acids that contribute to disease and obesity. Use butter and coconut oil for cooking, and other healthy oils like flax and olive oil raw for salads. Key 8. Stay away from modern soy foods. Traditional soy foods are fine if taken in small amounts and properly fermented, like in soy sauce, miso and tempeh. Avoid all products with soy proteins and isolates added to them. Do not give infants soy formula. Key 9. Avoid processed food. Canned and processed produce contain toxins and things that keep you fat. Key 10. Reduce or eliminate processed alcohol. Processed alcohol consumption tends to cause weight gain. Key 11. Cut down on food gently. Extreme and sudden dieting causes your body to conserve, not burn calories. Key 12. Eat snacks, not meals. More frequent, smaller healthy snacks are burned for energy, not stored as fat. Key 13. Stop counting calories. It isn't the calories that make you fat, it is what foods you eat, like sugar, white flour and processed foods. Key 14. Eat earlier, not later. Skipping breakfast makes it difficult later in the day to control your appetite. Key 15. Move. You must exercise to build lean tissue that burns fat. Gradually boost exercise frequency and intensity for even greater effects. Key 16. Reduce stress. Stress increases hunger and promotes weight gain. Key 17, get daily sunshine and plenty of sleep. Sunshine produces vitamin D, which helps in fat loss, while sleep is necessary for rejuvenation and carbohydrate metabolism. Key 18, lead a healthy, active life. Good habits and small steps can set you on the right path to a healthy and fit lifestyle. Key 19, be a positive person. Think positive thoughts and practice forgiveness. Key 20, you are in charge of your own health. It is your job to take responsibility for your health. Educate yourself and practice discipline. For more details, visit our channel. Thank you for watching.